So now what we need to do is that we need to loop over all of the rates, all of the key value pairs. The keys are the currencies, and the values are just the values in USD. So we need to loop over them and display them here. So what I'm going to do is that here in the rates.html, I'm going to use a loop here. I'm going to use a syntax given by Flask to loop over an array. So here I'm going to say curly braces and then percentages, and then inside these I'm going to say for currency comma rate in rates, because this rates refers to this rates array that we have passed from here, from this function down to the rates.html. And then here I'm going to say dot items. So it's going to convert this this rates array into key value pairs in an array, and then it's going to loop over the array. And then here, for each key value pair, we just want to display the key and the value. The key is the currency and the value is the rate itself. So here I'm going to say P, and then I'm going to say currency, and then the value, I'm going to say comma, and then rate. They must be inside double curly braces. So I'm going to say here double curly braces, and then here rate. And then I'm going to close this. After you are done, you need to say curly braces and then percentages, and then end for, and that's it. But here it must be items. Here the function is called items, not item. So make sure that this is items. And let me now save and head on over to the browser to test. So now in the browser, if I refresh, guess what? We have now the key and the value pair being displayed here. As you can see, the key and the value. The key is the currency itself, and the value is the value in USD. If you search for BTC, for Bitcoin, you'll find that here. 53,979 USD.